In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Mayhem Mode Pumpfun. If you've come across the term Mayhem Mode on Pump.fun and you're wondering what it actually means, this walkthrough will give you a clear and simple explanation. We're not going through a long setup process here. Instead, the goal is to understand what this feature is, where it appears, and why people pay attention to it when launching or trading meme coins. To begin, go to Pump.fun, which is a launchpad built for creating and trading meme coins on Solana. On this platform, users can launch new tokens and trade them in a fast-moving environment that often focuses on hype, momentum, and early market activity. Now here's what Mayhem Mode is. Mayhem Mode is an optional setting available on the Pump.fun launchpad. When it is turned on for a newly created meme coin, it adds an autonomous AI agent that trades that token during its first 24 hours. In other words, instead of the token's earliest trading activity being driven only by regular users, there is also an AI-based trading participant involved right from the beginning. The purpose of this feature is to increase early trading volume and create rapid price movement shortly after launch. That matters because the first day of a meme coin's life is often when attention is highest. By introducing automated activity during that window, Mayhem Mode is designed to make the token feel more active and more dynamic in its opening phase. It's important to understand that this is an optional feature, not something that automatically applies to every launch. So if you're exploring a token on Pump.fun, you may want to check whether Mayhem Mode is enabled, since that can affect how the coin behaves in those early hours. Fast volume and sudden price swings may be part of the intended experience when this mode is active. As a general tip, whenever you see a feature like this, remember that increased activity does not always mean organic demand. It can simply mean the token is being pushed into a more volatile, early trading environment. That doesn't make it good or bad by itself, but it does mean you should interpret price action carefully. So to sum it up, Mayhem Mode on Pump.fun is an optional launch setting that adds an autonomous AI trader to a newly created meme coin for its first 24 hours, with the goal of boosting early volume and encouraging quick price movement. If you're using Pump.fun, understanding this feature can help you better read what's happening during a token's launch period.